Hi everybody, it's Kevin Pryfickle here from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck in beautiful Pickle, Ohio. Today we have featured stock number 28350T. This is a brand new JL Unlimited Wrangler. This is a Sahara with the Rocky Ridge 3-inch lift kit. This is painted all in bright white. Again, this is a Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. This has the automatic transmission. This also has a trailer tow electrical group. Has the LED lighting group, which gives you front and rear LED headlamps in the front, tail lamps in the rear, fog lights in the front, and also LED daytime running lights. This also has the 8-speed automatic transmission, anti-spin differential, has the body color painted 3-piece hardtop along with the fender flares, rear window defroster, and it also has remote start. This also has leather seats featured in your dark gray. These are very, very fun vehicles with a lift kit or without a lift kit. This has the new, for 2018 JLs, the rear backup camera. These sell on the fun factor. Whether it's winter, spring, summer, or fall, these are just, you won't beat how fun these are to drive. This also comes with the Bluetooth for the phone, so you can listen to any kind of music with your phone, pair your compatible smartphone, make and receive phone calls to the audio system. Just a fun vehicle. Again, this is stock number 28350T, a white Jeep JL Unlimited Sahara with the 3-inch Rocky Ridge lift kit. If you have any questions on this beautiful vehicle or on any beautiful vehicle you've seen on the lot or on the internet, please do not hesitate to give us a call at 1-800-678-4188. Again, my name is Kevin Pryfickle from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck. As always, thank you for the opportunity and have a beautiful day.